Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta flow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. Then I gotta do everything and anything about it, boom, about a thing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death, and now I move a little foul. Nigga better call up rap, and everybody know my style. Niggas know that I'm the best when it comes to doing this, and I be banging on my chest, and I'm banging in the east, and I'm banging in the west, and I kinda give you more, and I will never give you less. You will hear it in the street, you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it, and we all up in the race, and you know we gotta go and try to keep up with the pace. We struggling and hustling and setting and to get it, and we do it, gotta do it, take it to another place, gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be in the top of the throne, but I know I gotta have it.
Look at me now, look at me now, oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah. Fresh to the
Man, fuck these bitch ass niggas, how y'all doing? I'm Lil Tunchi, I'm a nuisance. I go stupid, I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi, I'm the shit, no pollution, no substitution. Got a bitch that making movies in my jacuzzi, pussy juicy. I never give a fuck about a hater, got money on my radar, dressed like a skater. Got a big house, paid with an elevator. You niggas ain't eating, fucking tell the waiter. All they say shroom and I say okay. If you want that bullshit, then I'm like, oh late. I don't care what you say, so don't even speak. Your girlfriend a freak like Cirque du Soleil. That's word to my flag, and my flag red. I'm out of my head, bitch, I'm out of my mind. From the bottom of my climb, you ain't hotter than mine. Nope, not on my time, and I'm not even trying. What's poppin'? Nothing vibe. If they trippin', fuck them vibe. I ain't got no time to shuck and jive. These niggas is sweet as fucking pie. So I can sprite on a private mic. Get diamonds right, and got in life. And my pockets right, and my diamonds right. And my mama's nice, and my dad is dead. You faggots scared, cause I'm too wild. Been here for a while. I was like, fuck trial. I put it down. I'm so young money. If you got eyes, look at me now.
Approved.
Give me one more fucking beat. Nothing like a funky beat.
Too easy.